Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a real-world simple interest problem using a linear equation. Here is the problem. Jordan splits $9,000 between two savings accounts. One account earns 3% simple interest. The other earns 5% simple interest. After 1 year, Jordan earns $370 in interest. How much was deposited in each account? First, define the variable. Let x equal the amount deposited in the 3% account. Since the total is $9,000, the amount in the 5% account is $9,000 minus x. Now let's think about the interest earned. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Since time is 1 year, interest simply equals principal times rate. Interest from the 3% account equals 0.03 times x. Interest from the 5% account equals 0.05 times the quantity 9,000 minus x. The total interest is $370. So our equation is 0.03x plus 0.05 times the quantity 9,000 minus x equals 370. Step 1. Distribute 0.05 through the parentheses. 0.05 times 9,000 equals 450. 0.05 times x equals 0.05x. Our equation becomes 0.03x plus 450 minus 0.05x equals 370. Step 2. Combine like terms. 0.03x minus 0.05x equals negative 0.02x. So we have negative 0.02x plus 450 equals 370. Step 3. Subtract 450 from both sides. Negative 0.02x equals 370 minus 450. Negative 0.02x equals negative 80. Step 4. Divide both sides by negative 0.02. Negative 80 divided by negative 0.02 equals 4,000. So x equals 4,000. Jordan deposited $4,000 in the 3% account. And 9,000 minus 4,000 equals $5,000 in the 5% account. Now let's check our answer. Interest from the 3% account. 0.03 times 4,000 equals $120. Interest from the 5% account. 0.05 times 5,000 equals $250. Total interest. 120 plus 250 equals $370. Check. Jordan deposited $4,000 at 3% and $5,000 at 5%. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.